Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to another Lock Sport update. This is such a fun video series to run every Saturday, and if you have any updates that you would like to share next week, please drop them in the comment section below, and let's get started with this week's Lock Sport update. I'd like to start off this week's Lock Sport update by going over a personal milestone. My channel has recently reached 25,000 subscribers. That is a quarter of 100,000, and I just cannot believe that I have that many people that are subscribed to my channel. It is just so fun watching my subscribers go up every day and just interacting with everyone that watches my videos. If you guys happen to be new here, my channel is all about making how-to videos and trying to help build the Lock Sport community. And if you are new, I'd highly encourage you to just leave a comment identifying yourself, and I'd love to say hi. I just want to say thank you so much for checking this out. But what I'd like to do today is just go over a few channels that I'd like to highlight this week. The first one is going to be BeginnerLockPickingDiaries. He wanted to share a pretty cool little project that he was working on. What BeginnerLockPickingDiaries did is he shared on his Instagram a leather pinning tray that he was able to make himself. As you can see in front of you right now, this is a pretty cool tray, and I want to say that that is an interesting idea. I don't think I've seen someone do that before. He also wanted to share some more updates that you can read right in front of you right now. He is very excited to be a part of this community, and I just want to say, BeginnerLockPickingDiaries, thank you so much for sharing. And if anyone would like to check out this channel, I'm going to put a link up on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. Another channel that I'd love to mention this week is WezPicks. WezPicks is a channel that I discovered recently, and I just want to say that it is really cool to have met you, and it is fun to see all of these excellent channels. I plan to go through some more of WezPicks videos down the road. But if you would like to learn more about his channel, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out all of the videos and consider subscribing. A channel that I haven't seen in quite a while and left a comment last week, and I apologize if I pronounced your name wrong. I first met this channel on Reddit as a Reddit user. He is a very talented picker. He can get through challenge locks, high security locks, and one of my favorite things is he loves to pick medical locks with the Goso set. He is a great example that you can really get an open locks with just cheap picks, and it really is not the pick that makes the picker, it is practice. So the channel I'm going to mention is Musamban, Musamban. He mentioned to me that he is coming back from college for the summer, and he's going to go for his black belt on Reddit, which is a really cool thing, and I really wish you luck. If you would like to check out his channel, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. I just want to finish up this Lock Sport update with a mention of LegalLockPicker. LegalLockPicker is a very new channel who is able to go from 1 subscriber to now nearly 100. He just did a pretty cool giveaway, and I just want to say, LegalLockPicker, it is amazing to see all of the growth that you have had, and if anyone has not checked out LegalLockPicker, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing, and it'd be really cool to see him be able to get over 100 subscribers. That is such a really cool milestone for everyone to reach, and I highly encourage everyone to show your support. One final thing that I'd like to mention is, between Lockmania, Noctis Modus, and myself, what we're trying to do is we're going to put a list together of all the Lock Sport channels, and we're going to try to put them on Reddit. We're going to try to make them all in one spot so you'll be able to see all of these really great channels and get linked right to them. I think that would be a pretty cool platform to have it on, and we're going to start working on that very slowly, but that is just something on the back burner. But either way, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for checking out this week's Lock Sport update. And just again, if you have any updates that you would like to share, just please drop them in the comment section below. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below as well. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And just thank you so much for checking this out.